Here we go. We have been waiting for this for months. Prime Hockey, Simonelli22 getting us kicked off here. By the way, I love the boxes. I don't know how many of you guys have been watching this, but it's got a sweet little pull-out drawer like that. How awesome is that? Look how fat these packs are. Boom. All right, Prime Hockey. Whew. All right, here we go. Here we go. You got a redemption. Oh no, never mind. There's some white bordered cards in here, I guess. Brian Trottier base, number 249. Brad Richards base. And now your plethora of hits. Here we go. Ooh, nice. Numbered 4 of 25. Jersey Patch Prime Fight Strap Prime Rookies Zach Ronaldo. Look at that baby. Jersey Patch Prime Fight Strap Zach Ronaldo. Next, where's Mirkor at? Brad Richards, Carl Hagelin, Matt Zuccarello, Michael Delzato, numbered 70 of 75, Prime Quads, Quad Jersey. For the Rangers. Next, number 20 of 25. Showcase swatches. These are Shadowbox Jumbo jerseys. Shadowbox Jumbo jerseys. Mika Zibanejad, number 20 of 25. And it'd be hard all night to get these to show up well on the camera, but they are gorgeous. Some of the best shadow boxes I've ever seen. Next, Preds fan in the room yet? Yes, she is. Prime Namesakes, numbered 15 of 75, Ryan Ellis. Ryan Ellis, Prime Namesakes, numbered to 75. And Prime Signatures, James Van Riemsdyk. James Van Riemsdyk Prime Signatures. Simonelli, there you go.